know how they say that home farming is tedious, it takes a lot of effort. Actually not, it just takes about 20 minutes of effort every day, and then it's fun. So it's lockdown where we are today, in our city, and it's good to have some brownie points in your account just in case you screw up in the future. So here's me harvesting my crop today and also cooking at home. So tonight's dinner is on me. Well, guess COVID is the least worry of my family now. So what are we cooking today? One of the great things about having a farm as big as this, of course, a lot of us ask us how long did it take? It didn't happen overnight. This is an effort of almost a year, but you can always start somewhere, and you can start with something as simple as this small crate. We'll talk about it, leave your comments, and we'll get back to you and we can assist you get there. But let's look at what I'll cook today. One of the advantages of having a home farm again is you don't have to worry about or spend time figuring out what you want to cook, because whatever is ready is what you cook. Fresh, harvested from farm to the kitchen. So let's see. Brinjals are ready. So guess what? Bangan bharta it is tonight. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, there you go. It's a big one, huh? There's one more here. I think I'm going to need about 5 or 6 really for nice bangan bharta. So that's what we're going to do. There's some small ones. I think that's for a week's later harvest. One of the things about brinjal is you're never out of harvest. You always have something that you can harvest every week. That's what makes this an amazing home plant for your terrace garden. So that's about 4 or 5 right there. Let me see, I saw something else. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, this one. That should be enough.
So there you go. That's good enough for dinner, I think. So I have my brinjals. What I need now, I think, is some chili. So let me actually, don't show my feet.
You need 4 or 5, that's it, right?
So we've got brinjal, we've got chili. I think I'm going to need some tomatoes as well. So I think I have some 2 beautiful babies right here. So there you go. And I think this one's good too.
You don't need to put it.
So I think I'm pretty much ready for my bangan bharta. What I'm going to need, and I'm thinking maybe it goes well with some onion and cucumber salad. So let's cut fresh cucumber. I think this one is ready. It's been waiting and tempting me for a while now. There you go. Need some Okay, I'm not too sure on this one because I haven't looked at the YouTube recipe yet. But I think I'm going to need mint. So let me actually get some mint just in case.